Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. I just want you to look at the reference slide to check your correct answers. Make sure that your spellings are correct if you have written these. Now let's look at the LIFT, which says that you have to recognize and use describing words. In this lesson, we are going to study the types of the describing words. So this is your focus page, look like on the book in which you're going to study today the types, the quality, the size, and the color. Now, what is a describing word? A describing word is a word which adds detail to a noun. When you add describing word to a word, it tells more about a noun. For example, big classroom. Classroom is a naming word and big tells you the size of it. So this is a describing word. Got it? Now let's look at few types of the describing words today. There are many types of describing words, but today in this class we are going to read only 3 types: quality, size, and color, which is very obvious. So what are the examples of quality? Now look at this slide. Yeah, soft pillow. Pillow is a naming word. And softness is the quality. Soft tells you that this pillow is soft. So this adds detail to the pillow. Can you read it for me? Shiny, car. What is car over here? Car is a naming word and shiny is describing word. It is telling you more about the car. It is telling you that car has this quality and that quality is shiny. Now look at this picture. This is a burger. Yeah, but this word delicious add more detail. It tells you more about a noun. It tells you that there is a burger but it is delicious. So those words which tells you about the quality are called quality describing words. Now look at other examples. Size, it's very easy. Tree is already a naming word and the word tall is telling you that this tree is tall. So this tells you about the size of the tree. Same goes with here, tiny. The word tiny tells you that this ant is extremely small. So it tells you the size. And again, short. Short. Short girl. Girl is a naming word and short describes it. It tells you that the girl you are looking at, the picture right now, is short. So all of these words, tall, tiny, short, are the describing words of size. They tell you information of size. Now color. These are the describing words which tells you about the color of the naming word. For example, purple flower, yellow sun, and brown bench. All of these are colors. So they are type of describing words because colors are also describing word and because they tell you more about a noun. Now to check your understanding, we have made a formative check which you have to do it with the help of your teacher, and after this go to your practice book for more practice and right underneath it there is a homework. Do it with the help of your parent. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.